Welcome to the Credit Veteran Club. My name is Joe and I'm coming to you every single day with some credit information that will give you knowledge, because I believe knowledge is power, and I believe everyone, and I mean everybody, should be equipped with enough information to get you to a 781 credit score, if not more, because that's where life begins to take a new turn. No more excuses, okay? Today I'm discussing with you what you can do right away that will give you results in raising your credit score quickly. No one wants to wait to have a credit score fixed forever. So I'm giving you these tools to get this done now. So the question is, what is the fastest way to raise your credit score? I'll give you a hint. 35% of your credit score is your payment history. 30% is your utilization. Just these two alone, 65%. Removing late payments is the fastest way to achieve a good payment history. Adding AUs or authorized users helps your utilization. Adding age to your history accounts is another 15%, guys. That's a total of 80%. At the Credit Veteran Club, I have the tools to get you the late payments removed, and our program also covers the fastest way to boost your credit AUs. Most credit repair companies will drag the process for 12, 24 months and put you on a monthly bill of $200 a month. Guess what? Our program offers you the fastest results by holding your hand throughout the process and holding you accountable by helping you to do your credit report analysis. Use appropriate letters to challenge collections, late payments, repossessions, charge-offs. We do coaching, follow-ups, using weekly Zoom calls. Our goal is to take you to 781, because that's why you start experiencing the better side of life. Call us now and try us. 678-528-2569. Remember to give a thumbs up, notify bell. You'll get our next video as soon as it's released. Also, make sure if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and see you there.